Are you ready to take your woodworking projects to the next level? Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or just starting your journey, having the right tools can make all the difference. Among these, a circular saw stands out as one of the most versatile and essential tools in any toolbox. In this video, we'll explore the best circular saws available on the market, highlighting their features, advantages, and what to look for to suit your specific needs. Let's dive in and find your perfect match. If you want to see the price and find out more information about these products, you can check out the links in the description below. And make sure you like the video, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for future updates. Without further ado, let's get started with the list. Starting our list with number 5, we have the Ryobi PCL500B circular saw. If you're in the market for a reliable circular saw that meets all your woodworking needs, the Ryobi PCL500B is a top contender. This battery-powered saw offers you the freedom to work anywhere, free from the constraints of cords. It empowers you to tackle your projects with flexibility and ease, whether you're in your garage, backyard, or a job site. The Ryobi PCL500B features a robust 5.5-inch carbide blade with 18 teeth, ensuring that you achieve smooth, precise cuts in wood. With an impressive speed of 4,700 revolutions per minute, this circular saw delivers the power necessary to complete your tasks efficiently. Its bevel capacity allows for angled cuts up to 45 degrees, making it suitable for a variety of cutting scenarios, ideal whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting your DIY journey. Weighing in at just 4.6 pounds, the PCL500B is lightweight, allowing for easy maneuverability and reduced fatigue during extended use. The durable plastic handle is designed for a comfortable grip, giving you enhanced control as you operate the saw. As a bare tool, the Ryobi PCL500B is an excellent choice for those who already own Ryobi batteries and chargers, making it a smart and cost-effective addition to your toolkit. Elevate your woodworking experience and achieve the professional results you desire effortlessly with the Ryobi PCL500B circular saw. Let this powerful tool help you bring your creative projects to life. At number 4, Skil 5080 circular saw. If you're searching for a reliable circular saw that combines power and ease of use, the Skil 5080 circular saw is an excellent choice for your woodworking projects. With its robust 13-ampere motor, this saw delivers outstanding performance, allowing you to tackle even the toughest cutting tasks with confidence. The 15% weight reduction compared to the previous model, Skil 5380, significantly decreases user fatigue, making it a more comfortable option for extended use. The Skil 5080 features a 51-degree bevel with positive stops, providing you with versatile cutting angles for added flexibility in your projects. Whether you're making precise crosscuts or angled cuts, this saw's capabilities will meet your needs. Changing blades is a breeze thanks to the integrated spindle lock that simplifies the process, enabling you to switch between different blades effortlessly. Moreover, the improved dust blower ensures that your line of cut remains clear of sawdust, enhancing visibility and accuracy during your work. This feature not only helps you achieve cleaner cuts, but also contributes to a safer working environment by reducing the risk of accidents. By choosing the Skil 5080 circular saw, you're investing in a tool designed to enhance your craftsmanship and efficiency. This saw is a valuable addition to your toolkit that empowers you to create with precision and ease, no matter the size of your project. Number 3, we have the DEWALT DCS391B circular saw. If you're searching for a reliable and efficient tool to enhance your woodworking projects, the DEWALT DCS391B circular saw is a top-tier choice. This battery-powered saw delivers the power and convenience that woodworkers like you need for exceptional results. With its 6.5-inch high-speed steel blade featuring 24 teeth, you can make precise cuts in various types of wood effortlessly. Weighing just 6.95 pounds, the DEWALT DCS391B is designed for portability, so you can easily maneuver it without compromising on performance. Boasting a robust speed of 5,100 revolutions per minute, this circular saw allows you to tackle a wide range of cutting tasks with efficiency. The keyless blade change feature ensures that switching blades is quick and hassle-free, minimizing setup time and maximizing your productivity. You'll appreciate the rubber handle that provides a comfortable grip, even during extended use, ensuring you can work on your projects without fatigue. With a cutting angle capability of up to 50 degrees, this saw adds valuable versatility, empowering you to navigate different materials and execute intricate designs with confidence. Powered by a 20-volt lithium-ion battery, the DEWALT DCS391B frees you from the constraints of an outlet, letting you work wherever inspiration strikes. Whether you're an experienced professional or a passionate DIY enthusiast, choosing this circular saw will elevate your woodworking experience, ultimately transforming your creative visions into reality. At number 2, Makita XSS02Z circular saw. If you're looking for a reliable circular saw to enhance your woodworking projects, the Makita XSS02Z circular saw is an excellent choice. This powerful tool combines convenience and performance, allowing you to tackle various cutting tasks with ease. Weighing just 1.5 kilograms, it's lightweight and easy to handle, making it ideal for both beginners and seasoned craftsmen. The saw features a 6.5-inch carbide blade with 24 teeth, perfect for cutting through wood smoothly and efficiently. Its battery-powered design means you can work without the hassle of cords, providing the freedom to move wherever your projects take you. With a max speed of 700 revolutions per minute, you'll achieve clean cuts at a cutting angle of up to 45 degrees, giving you flexibility for various applications. One standout feature is its bevel capability, which lets you make angled cuts with precision. Whether you're in a workshop or on a job site, this tool ensures you can meet your specific cutting needs. Although the saw is sold as a tool only, it requires just one lithium-ion battery, which is not included, making it an economical choice if you already have compatible batteries. Crafted with durable plastic materials, the Makita XSS02Z is built to withstand the rigors of your projects. Experience the difference that this reliable circular saw can make in achieving your woodworking goals. And finally, the number 1 of our list, DEWALT DCS570B circular saw. If you're looking for a powerful and reliable cutting tool, the DEWALT DCS570B circular saw is an excellent choice for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. This battery-powered saw operates on a robust 20-volt lithium-ion battery, delivering up to 5,500 revolutions per minute for efficient and precise cutting. With a blade length of 4 inches and 24 teeth, this saw is designed to tackle a variety of materials, including ceramics, thanks to its high-speed steel blade. Weighing only 7.5 pounds, the DCS570B is lightweight and easy to maneuver, making it ideal for both overhead and extended cutting tasks. The brushless motor ensures optimal performance while extending the life of the tool, helping you get the most out of your investment. Plus, with a built-in brake feature, you can make swift and safe stops, providing additional control during operation. This circular saw is also engineered to meet rigorous specifications, offering compatibility with cast iron, which is perfect for heavier-duty projects. With a wattage of 900 watts and a horsepower of 57, you can trust this saw to deliver the power you need to get the job done efficiently. While it doesn't come with batteries included, it is designed for easy battery compatibility, ensuring you have the option to use your preferred power source. Whether you're cutting in a workshop or working on site, the DEWALT DCS570B meets your cutting needs with both reliability and precision. As always, you will find all the links of these products in the description below. Comment below and tell us which circular saw you are considering. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, then like and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more amazing videos like this.